Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we purchased one about 4 days ago actually. I hadn't had a chance to get out here yet, but just came out. We're in New Orleans East. This house, the old owner had owned it for quite a while. Her husband had gave it to her after they were divorced, and her family grown up here for a while, but it's seen better times. She hasn't been here for a while. It's actually gutted out and not in great condition. You can notice that the utilities are off. So yeah, she was. The house had been a burden for her actually. She had a bunch of issues with it. With the title, she's trying to clear. Her neighbor was going to buy it, and she thought for a year neighbor was going to buy it, but they never actually came through. So she eventually ended up calling us and just wanted to sell it fast, and we're able to offer her what she wanted, and we actually closed within 8 days. So we gave her what she wanted, really fast, easy sale. We bought in as is condition, and she was really happy for that. We're also happy to get a new project, So I'll show you. It's definitely a fixer-upper. Not ready to be listed, with a realtor or sold to a homeowner by far, as you can probably tell. The house is gutted out. So, it needs someone with imagination to buy the property who walks through a place like this and, sees the potential, sees what it can look like. And we do see that, So, to us, this is a nice house. It was 3 bedrooms. It's got the garage here. To be honest, we're going to turn that into a 4th bedroom so that, there's a nice 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. What's a bathroom? Property. As we walk through, we see a house like this and we see what they're worth. This is the master bedroom, and you can see over here where the sink's going to be, and there's a shower in here, the wardrobe, nice sized wardrobe we're walking into here. So, and then on the other side is the other bathroom, which is in the hallway. So it's a nice layout. Got the other bedrooms here. Here's the 2nd bathroom. Other bedroom, into the living area. It's a front door. As I said, this is a garage, but for us, this is a 4th bedroom, which will make the house more valuable. So, we don't mind buying a house like this. We have imagination. Obviously, we're buying as is condition, so it doesn't matter about the condition. We look right through that. We don't mind if your house is messy, dirty. Some things are broken. It doesn't matter. We look right through that. Like a homeowner, like when they walk through a house, they see themselves in the house, and you need to present it in that way. It needs to be clean, ideally staged. That's how you really get top dollar selling to a homeowner, because that's what they need to see. Someone like us, none of that stuff matters. We're looking straight through that to the bones of the house, where we have our own imagination of what it could be. That's what we do. So if you have a house like that needs repairs, maybe not ready for a homeowner to buy it, reach out to us. We're always happy to help. Check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of information there on options to sell your house, different ways to do it, tips about working with a cash buyer like us, all that sort of stuff. So check it out. You'll see lots of videos of houses we're buying, like this one, and like happy customers who have sold their home and the experience they've had. So check it out. As a wealth of information at homebuyerlouisiana.com. If you want to chat to us, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.